In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital product in Shopify. No shipping, no inventory, just a streamlined setup that lets customers buy and download your files instantly. I'll walk you through each click and explain why it matters so you can launch with confidence. Start in your Shopify admin by opening your products list and selecting Add Product. Give your product a clear, benefit-driven title that instantly tells shoppers what they're getting. In the description, sell the experience. Explain what's included, who it's for, the problem it solves, and any requirements like file format or software needed. Since there's nothing to unbox, your words and visuals do the heavy lifting. Add strong product images. Think cover art, mock-ups, or screenshots that preview the value in time. Clean, high-quality visuals go a long way toward boosting conversions on digital items. Next, scroll to the shipping section. This is the most important part. Uncheck the box that says, "This is a physical product." That single setting tells Shopify not to ask for a shipping address at checkout and ensures the order is handled as a digital purchase. It prevents shipping charges from appearing and keeps your fulfillment workflow simple and accurate. Then, head to the inventory section and uncheck Track Quantity. Digital files don't run out, so there's no need to manage stock levels. The only time you'd leave tracking on is if you're intentionally limiting availability for a special release, but for most products, turning it off keeps everything frictionless. To deliver the actual file, install a free app like Shopify's Digital Downloads. Once it's added to your store, open this product in the app and attach your file. PDFs, zips, audio, or other formats are supported. Keep file names clear and professional, and consider using a zip if you're bundling multiple items or want to reduce file size. After a customer completes payment, the app automatically provides a secure download link, typically on the order status page and via email, so delivery happens hands-free every time. That's the entire setup. You've created the product, told Shopify it's digital, turned off inventory tracking, and connected an app that sends the file instantly after purchase. Set it once, sell it forever. Your digital store is now officially open, and you can focus on refining your description and visuals to showcase the value of your download. With no boxes to pack and no stock to manage, this is one of the fastest, cleanest ways to start selling online.